Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. This is subject math. This is chapter 4. The name of this chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. This is first day on this chapter. Today we are going to start this new chapter. This chapter is related with geometry, geometrical concept, basic geometrical concept. Here we have to study. And what are the basic geometrical concepts? First of all, we have to understand about point, line, segments, rays. These are the basic concepts of the geometry. What is point? We shall read it one by one. What is point? I have written the definition. This is point. A point is a mark of position. A point is a mark of position. Suppose we have to represent a position. This is position of anything. This position, this is the mark of position. This is known as point. This is known as point. And point has no length, no breadth, and it do not occupy a space. Point has no length, no breadth, and it does not occupy a space. According to theory, actually it occupies some space. But according to definition, what we shall say, it has no length, it has no breadth, no thickness, and it does not occupy a space. I have written a point is a mark of position. It has no length, no breadth, and thickness, and does not occupy a space. It is denoted by capital letters A, B, C. It may be denoted by A. This is point B, this is point P, this is point Q, this is point R. Always it is denoted by capital letters A, B, P, Q, R, C. If we choose any letter, there is no problem. This is the point. And what is the simple definition? You must memorize the definitions. A point is a mark of position. This is the definition. Second topic is line. Line segment. What is line segment? Suppose this is one point A and this is another point B. Then there is some distance between point A and B. We can reach, if we shall start from A and we have to reach at B, we can choose any path. Suppose we are going from this path. We have started from A and we have reached to B. This is also a path. We have started from A and we have reached to the B. But this is the shortest distance. This length is the shortest distance. Then what is the point? What is the line segment? A simple definition. This is point A, this is point B. A and B. The shortest distance between 2 points. Shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment. Line segment has two ends. One is the A, other is the B. A is the start point and B is the end point. Line segment is denoted, write A, B, and above the letter AB, draw a small line segment AB. AB is the same and BA is also same. But there is one difference. In case of AB, we have to start from A and we reach to B. A is the start point and B is the end point. But in case of BA, B is the start point and A is the end point. This is the line segment. Clear? Line segment has two ends. What is definition? Line segment. A line segment. The shortest distance between 2 points is called a line segment. It is denoted by AB. AB, and at the top of AB I have written a small line segment. It has two end points. Line segment has two end points. The length of the line segment is finite. It has finite length, definite length, but it is made by infinite number of points. A line segment, even very small or big, a line segment has made by infinite number of points. Always memorize, a line segment has made by infinite number of points. This is the collection of infinite number of points. Two things, one is the point, other is the line segment. Third is the line. What is line? Third concept definition is line. A line, suppose this is a line segment. This AB, suppose here AB is a, this is A and A and this is B. AB is a line segment. A and B. This is a line segment. Clear? We have to extend AB in both directions. Both directions means in the direction of A also and in the direction of B also. But we have to extend indefinitely without end point. We have to extend this line segment in both directions without end, indefinitely. Then we cannot reach to the infinite point. If we shall try to move to reach the indefinite point in infinity in the direction of B, it is not possible. If we shall try to reach at the end point in the direction of A to the infinity, it is also not possible. Then how we can represent? It is represented by putting two arrows on both end. One arrow at one end and other arrow at other end in the opposite direction of each other. This is known as, this line segment with two arrows at both end in opposite direction is known as line. Simply line. This is a line. Line has no end point. It is represented by writing A, B and right and put here this sign. This is line AB. What we shall read? We shall read line AB. What are the speciality of the line? Line has no end point. Line has no end point. It extends in both directions indefinitely, and it is also made by collecting infinite number of points. Here I have written everything. A line segment extended infinitely on both sides. This is the definition. A line segment extended infinitely on both sides is called a line. Is called a line. It is denoted by AB, A and B, and above a arrow with two, a line with two arrow has given. It has no end points. Line has no end points. It has only length, no breadth and thickness. This is the symbol of line AB. What we shall read? We shall read it line AB. Then there is ray. What is ray? A line which starts from a given point, fixed point, and extends indefinitely. This is ray. Now read about the ray. What is ray? Suppose this is a point A. A line starts from this point A, fixed point A, and it has no end. There is one end A, and on the other end it has no any end point. It extends indefinitely in the other direction. And then suppose B is any point. B is not the end. Here I am writing B, but B is not the end. B is any point at near this end. So what we shall write? A, B, and this is the sign of arrow AB. This is the ray. What we shall read? We shall read it ray AB. A ray, a line which starts from a given fixed point. Here given fixed point is A. A line which starts with a given fixed point and extend indefinitely in the same direction. In the same direction is called line segment. It has one end point. It has one end point. Now, if we shall compare, then what we have read? Point. First concept is point. Point is a mark of position. Point is a mark of position. It is denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, and it has no length, breadth, thickness, and do not occupy a space. Second thing is line segment AB. This is a line segment. It has two end points, A and B. We shall write it AB. What we shall read? We shall read line segment AB. We shall read this is P, this is Q. We shall read right here PQ. What we shall read? We shall read line segment PQ. Clear? Third thing is line. Line. This is line. Line has no end point. Right here C and D. C do not represent end and D also do not represent end. But C is any point near end and D is also any point near end. We shall represent it C, D. What we shall read? We shall read CD, line CD. This is point, we shall read point A. We shall read line segment PQ, line segment AB. Here we shall read line CD. And this is ray. It has no, line segment has 2 end point. Line has no end point. And this is ray. This is ray P and Q, PQ. PQ line segment. This is line segment ray PQ. P has one end point. P is one end point. There is no another end point because Q has extended up to infinity. Q is not end. Q is any point near the end. These are the three basic geometrical concepts, and we shall read further about these concepts. Thank you. This time you must revise, memorize the simple definitions.